Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be swapping out the rear suspension of the Harley from the original stock rear suspension to the Burly 10.5 inch slammer kit. Let's go and get started, except we have a special guest on this one who's actually going to be doing the install. Say hello to the people. Who's that? Special guest will be installing the suspension on.
What am I gonna do?
You're gonna be installing new suspension on the Harley.
Do I work here?
You do now?
Okay, let's do it.
All right. Okay, so this is the rear suspension.
All right, let's do an unboxing for you guys. So this is our unboxing. We're very excited. This came in the mail, and let's just like unbox it.
Don't be throwing things.
How did you know it was gonna be thrown? What is this, honey?
Yeah. You put it on
in your mouth.
Yeah. It's supposed to help you ride smoother.
Nice. Okay,
Super
so
cool.
We got some honey. We're gonna set that aside. Some little stickers.
We won't be using the stickers.
All right, we're gonna set that aside because we don't need instructions for anything.
Wow.
We're just gonna look at it and
What is
see
that?
where it goes and just put it there.
Okay.
We've got one of these.
Okay. What is that for?
I'm not sure, but we're gonna figure it out. We have some of these,
Okay. Some gasket kind of things.
some little gaskets, and two big black.
You nasty.
Wow.
All right, so these are the 10.5 slammer. These
They're
are
still
the
shiny. I'm only touching
10.5 slammer suspension wow, shocks.
Let's
And
together.
they're supposed to be better than stock. So yeah, let's go ahead and put them on.
They're better than socks.
Yes.
All right, now we've got over here. This is a Harley Davidson motorcycle. This is a bobber.
Wow.
Yeah. So we're gonna.
Do you like the
I actually love it.
do you like the covers?
Yeah. It looks sick.
Looks cleaner, right?
Good job. You did that all by yourself?
Yes.
I feel like that's like so close to my face.
It's wide, but it's like it's hella wide.
Oh, good. It's hoping to look really wide. Okay.
All right. So first things first.
First things first, you take this off.
Okay. Yeah, you know what you're doing.
I just feel like it goes here. Right?
Yeah, I got it for you.
So we're actually gonna switch that around. The other way.
Yep.
Lefty loosey. For sure.
Yep.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Got
So
one
we'll
big giant screw.
set those to the side.
I'm gonna set that right here.
All right. So now what we're
We don't
gonna
need
do?
that for nothing.
Now what we're gonna do? Go ahead and do the other side. There we
Ooh.
go. All right.
Well, that doesn't sound good. If your bike falls apart like that, you should probably just screw it back together.
All right. So we
We're gonna
got
set this over here.
this one there. So now I'm just gonna slightly move the lights out of the way. Just kind of set it off to the side. All right.
Alright.
So now we have to remove the bottom bolt. So we'll come over here, babe, or that one. I mean, yes, you gotta do that one anyways.
Yeah, so you're gonna use the same tool. I'm gonna put it in. Stick it. And just push down.
Wait.
Just joking.
Go ahead.
You want to make sure that someone is holding the big black part while you do this.
Yes, firmly too.
Yes.
All right, so you have to use a wrench
3 hands.
and hold the nut.
And hold the big black. What is this called?
It's called a rear shock.
You have to hold the rear shock and hold the nut while you do this. And the rear shock is getting looser, so make sure you have a firm grab on it. All right. Now we have to roll around to the other side.
All right, so it is a 19. You gotta hold the suspension.
I can't hold that and this.
Okay.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Not for this part. It's really hard. Okay.
Bingo. I got
Now
it.
I can hold.
All right.
Wait. I moved it.
So now that that's out,
So hold it out.
hold on. I'm gonna hold this. Yank this out. We'll set this one off to the side. And now all we gotta do is swap it out.
Okay.
Hi, Layla. Stay. All right, so gonna show the peeps a little difference here with the two suspensions next to each other. Yeah, they can see it. That's how much shorter it is. So it's about an inch shorter than regular suspension. All right, so went ahead and attached a bushing on the inside that was in the kit. All right, so now grab your nut again.
I'm gonna grab your nut again.
Please do.
And screw the nut on. It's tight.
Okay,
Do
cool.
you want it tight, tight?
Well, I'm gonna torque it down later. Okay.
It's tight.
All right, so
But this is like,
you'll see in a second what's gonna happen.
you're gonna sit on it?
No, I just lower it down, and then once we lower it down, we're gonna line it and then stick the bolt in. All right, so let's do this side now.
Alright, let me roll my mechanics chair back over here.
Okay, roll it over.
Oh, very easy. This goes in here.
Yep, it goes in there.
Right? In
Yeah,
here or
like
in
that.
here? And then the nut has to go on the other side.
Grab the nut, put the nut in, screw it on, and then teamwork. We need to lower the lift, and then as you lower the lift, the frame starts coming down, and you're basically just aligning it with the new shorter suspension. Just like that. Tightening this up. I do have these slightly angled up for drivers. When they're driving by, they can see the light a little bit better. If it was level, they might have a hard time seeing the red lights. Now you do the same thing on the other side. All right, there we go. Now all we have to do is
Ride it.
torque him. All we gotta do is torque it down. All right, so do you know what this long silver stick is, babe? Kind of is. It's a torque. So we're gonna torque to spec to make sure so it does not. You can torque with that. That way it doesn't escape. So the upper shocks are 80 to 90. So we're gonna go right in the middle and do 85. So you got 4 pounds of torque. You're gonna go to 85. There we go. We're gonna go on this way. And you go until it stops. There we go. Perfecto. All right, now the bottoms are 40 to 50. So we'll just call it 50. And then the other side. Perfect. There we go. Done. What do you think?
Wow, looks so good.
Looks the exact same, doesn't it? Yeah. Well, difference is these are,
the exact same. They're a little shinier.
yeah, I mean, these are ugly, right? So these are like not Like
Those
this
are
one.
ugly black shocks, and these are pretty black shocks.
Yeah. So I think the biggest thing is now it lowers it about an inch. So allowing me to be able to flat foot it a little bit better. And it's supposedly a better ride too. It's not like as stiff. So that's pretty much it.
What is the outro? Thanks guys for coming to our channel, and like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
See ya. You can tap it. Tap it. Tap it.
With my hat?
With your hand. With your hand.
With my hand?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just tap it. Bam. Tag it.
I don't want to touch the...
No, you do it slow. So like to it. Just like close it out.